In this video, we are going to learn how to use the functionality column selectors in the OTBI analysis. Let's click the navigator. Let's navigate to reports analytics under the tools. So I am in the reports analytics at present. Let me go to the browse catalog. Let's try to create the simple analysis, and once the analysis is done, then we can use these features column selector. So I'm going to click create here, analysis. Let's use the subject area, which is workforce management, worker assignment real time. So in case you would like to know how to create an analysis, please watch the videos in this playlist from the beginning, so you will have a full flow and you can learn the complete OTBI from A to Z. So I am going to go to workforce management, worker assignment, event real time. Okay, so I have selected this one. I'm going to drag and drop couple of columns from different folders under the subject area. So let me take the first one, which is nothing but I will take the department name. Let me expand the department folder. So I'm going to expand the department. I'm going to choose the department name by doing the double click, and then location name also by doing the double click, and then let us take the from the worker we'll take worker information, could be name, I'm going to expand this one so that I can read it completely. Assignment status type, and I will take the name also from the worker, N for name. Yeah, so I have this for information at present. Let me just apply some filters so that I will have refined information. It's not null because it's a dev instance, so we may not have complete information, so it's not null. It's not null. Okay, now let's see what happens to the results. After that, we will use this column selector functionality. So if you see here, yeah, let's increase the size of this table. I'm going to put the maximum one so that it will be easy for us to see the output. Okay, so now you can see for every department and for every location it shows the grouping of employee names under the active and inactive assignment statuses. Fine. Now let's create the column selector view. So this is nothing but a view actually. So I'm going to go to the new view and going to other views and going to column selector. Now here in the column selector, it's got created here. Just move your mouse until you see this compass icon and drag this one and drop it between the name, I mean the title, and the table. So now if you see, your column selector has been positioned between these two tiles. I'm clicking the edit view of this column selector, and here if you see under the location there is a include selector is there, so just click the checkbox. Now expand your locations folder and bring the city as well as country into this particular column 2. Okay, so that for that one I am going to go to city, double click. You can observe the city has come here. Similarly country also I'm going to do a double click. Now you can see both city and country has come as a choices under the location name. Okay, so I'm clicking done here. Now if you see the output, you can see in the output, you can see location name, city and country. These three things are appearing for you. So let's see how the results looks like for us. This column selector will help us to say to the output which column you would like to see, and based on that one the entire data set will be there. Only thing is the particular column selector alone will get replaced with the selection you are going to make. So I am going to use the name column selector for this particular analysis. Let's view it in the output now. So I'm going to go to how it looks like on a dashboard. So I'm taking the Fusion FX preview. So now if in the preview, if you see under the column selector, you can give any name. Actually you can go and can keep your title like selection or something, you can keep it out, But if you observe now, under the department name you have the location name, and as location you have assignment status type and followed by the name of the worker. So now the moment I select here the city, just observe what's going to change in the output. The location name where you see as a second column, this location name will be replaced with the city, and the same information will be listed for you in the alphabetical order. So you can set the sorting also, so that it will look easy for us to compare between different column selectors. Similarly, if I go and select the country, just observe what's going to happen for the city column. The report is analysis is going to run, and it's going to replace that particular city column with the country column, whatever you have chosen in this list of values. So this how you can do a selection of the column what you would like to see in the output. So I hope you find this video informative. Please click like, they'll be encouraging me, and please share this video to your friends.